So today's video is brought to you by none other than the Paint Business Cheat Code, which is my paint course that I developed with your friend Justin at Forever Self-Employed. And basically it's a starter kit that'll get you everything you need to do to start your very own paint business. And all you got to do is go to any video on this channel, click the description, it'll bring you to some links, and it'll be right there. It'll say click here for Paint Biz Cheat Code. Click on that. You'll be directed to my free estimating sheet that I've developed for you guys to help you estimate. So the Paint Biz Cheat Code is basically just a shortcut for anybody that wants to get into painting and is not sure how to estimate. So I have a little guide with walkthroughs. Basically, it just takes you step by step. It has a tool checklist and much more, and it's always updated. So if you guys are interested in starting a business, go down in the description below or the top pinned comment. There's always a link to that, as well as the Facebook marketing strategy. So without further ado, let's get into this project and let's talk about it. I got hired. This is actually my next door neighbor. There's a couple videos back where I was actually painting the outside of the house, and then I got hired to do the inside of the house. Those are my favorite kind of jobs, guys. The ones where I get called back. Always the best. So, simple job. Not painting the entire house, and I had came the day before. I didn't get any film. Sorry, guys, but I went ahead and painted all of the trim. All of the white you see has already been painted. 2 coats. Sanded down, painted 2 coats. And basically, for this video, it's mostly just going to be running the walls, because I feel like that's the most satisfying. And this project went pretty flawlessly. As you see that they're still living in the house, so there's a lot of furniture around. And even though I was still rolling, I still like to go ahead and cover as much as the furniture with plastic as possible, especially with wearing shorts. Shorts tends to be the length of the shorts is like the exact height of the bucket, and sometimes they'll get paint on it. And the worst thing is like rubbing up against a couch and getting paint transfer off your pants or whatever. So just to be safe, I like to cover everything with plastic. Not to mention, it really helps me speed up because I'm not worried about little drips. Or if I do get a little tiny drip, you know, I always have a rag with me and we'll wipe it off and everything. But plastic helps, you know. Anytime you're doing a paint job, it really pays in the end to go ahead and spend a little bit of extra time that it takes to get it prepared for you. Because once you get into the paint, you don't want to like stop. You just want to go because it's satisfying. You start seeing that you're changing, you're getting the project done. It's like the end is in sight, and then you got to stop and wipe up paint, pick up paint, and somebody steps in paint. Now it tracked it all through the house. So please, if you get any advice out of this video, number one thing is make sure to take the time to properly prep the area. All of the adjacent surfaces that are not scheduled for paint, make sure to throw some tape on them. And we came back at a later date and finished up the doors during this time. Now, this project was actually quite a few weeks ago. Kind of been lagging on the uploads, but I realized that I have this just about edited. So we want to walk through and talk to it a little bit. Give us a shameless plug on the chorus, but it really helps. A lot of testimonials on that say people have been happy with the results that they've gotten from the chorus. So hey, if you guys enjoy this type of video, make sure you give me a thumbs up because it really helps us out, get out to more people. And you know, we want to make sure that people have a chance to get the same kind of tools to get out there and make some money, baby. You know what I mean? Because we all like making money. Money makes the world go round. And you're able to go out and do it on your own without having to work for somebody. It is possible. And I've developed some tools. So make sure to check those links in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.